lilac na yun. Walang talabang lilac. Pero, of course, gusto ko kayong batiin ng magandang hapon mga Army! First of all, happy 11th anniversary. Pinakamamahal namin BTS. And of course, happy Army Day to all of us. This year, we are filled with immense happiness as we celebrate not only our enduring bond with BTS, but of course also Jin's completion of his military service. Ang saya-saya natin, diba? Talaga na siya tapos na niya ang military service. And of course, we are all eagerly awaiting the return of course of your other members very soon. Diba? Over the years, our fandom has achieved significant milestones that showcase the unwavering love and support between BTS and ARMY. At nakikita natin ito sa pamamagitan ng mga special performances, mga games, installations, and booths. And itong meron tayo ngayong hapon, alam bongga-bongga. Each moment, of course, strengthen our connection, brought us closer together. Hindi ng bonding. As an ARMY and a fan of BTS, I am very inspired by the virtues that define our fandom, diba? Of course, nariyan yung loyalty, passion, and of course, positivity, diba? Let us continue to embody these values as we gear up for the highly anticipated reunion comeback concert of BTS on 2025! Excited na tayo lahat, diba? Sino ba mga pumunta doon? Sana makasama-sama tayo lahat doon. Sana makita-kita tayo, makakuha tayo lahat ng tickets, tayong lahat. Dasal natin yan. Pagka makakuha kayo ng tickets, sana kuhanan nyo lang. Kasi ang hirap, di ba, rapon? Pero anyway, together we can inspire and uplift each other, demonstrating the true spirit of an ARMY. Maraming salamat for inviting me once again. Ang saya-saya talagang kasama ng ARMY. At of course, ARMY Andes, Viva Andes, thank you so much for always keeping in touch with me. And mahal na mahal po kayong lahat. Let us always continue to spread the love and support for our beloved BTS. And nabalitaan ko, meron pa tayo coming from all the way from the UK, from the US, from Indonesia. Ano ba itong ibang bansa na nandito? Basta, from all over the world, we have also from Cebu, from Davao, from all the other places in our beloved country. So, patuloy lang natin na ganito. Let's all anticipate the homecoming of our beloved BTS, and we will see you again soon. Bora!
And now, we are presenting a plaque of appreciation, giving our sincerest gratitude for invaluable participation as our guest speaker and your unwavering support for BTS and to the family. Maraming salamat po sa dedication mo bilang isang ARMY, tingnan bilang isang mamamayan na patuloy na nagiging boses para sa mga Pilipino.
Dahil ang mga kapagbalina, ito fan-girling